Discovering Artificial Intelligence.
Welcome back to our Latinamerican Summer Camp 2023.
In today's podcast, we are going to talk about a very current topic, now as artificial intelligence.
Do you know what it is?
I'm very curious to learn more about it.
Don't worry, if you don't know, here we are going to tell you everything.
So sit back and get ready for a journey into the world of artificial intelligence.
Let's start with the basics. Artificial intelligence is like our brain, but on a computer.
Just as we can think and make decisions, artificial intelligence allows computers to do the same.
Yes, I know. You're wondering, can computers think like us? Yes, they can, but not in the same way.
Do you know that computers can process a lot of information very quickly and learn from it? They can make decisions based on the data and solve difficult problems.
Sure, it's like having a very smart friend who can help us to solve complicated things.
Do you want to know how computers learn?
Computers learn through a principle called machine learning. We give them information and tell them what to do with it.
Then, the computer finds patterns and rules in that data to be able to make decisions for itself. It's like teaching someone to play soccer, but instead of a person, we teach a computer.
Now that we know what artificial intelligence is, you are sorely wondering where we can find it, and the answer is very simple.
Have you ever used a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa?
Hey Siri, are you intelligent?
My aim is to be intelligent and helpful. It's more of a journey than a destination.
Those are examples of artificial intelligence. There is also artificial intelligence in video games, in robots that help in factories, and even in some apps on your phone.
Well, guys, it's everywhere.
That's right. Artificial intelligence is everywhere. It helps us to do many things faster and easier.
Don't forget that human beings are the ones who control artificial intelligence. It is just a tool that we use to improve our lives.
That's right. We must make sure that artificial intelligence is used ethically.
Hey, what does ethics mean?
Ethics is about doing the right thing and making good and fair decisions.
Exactly. Artificial intelligence is a tool that we must understand and use responsibly.
Let's continue to research and explore this fascinating field while adapting to technological advances.
Thank you for joining us on this journey towards artificial intelligence.
It was a pleasure to be on this trip.
In our Latin American summer camp,
In this podcast participated
Ale,
Dulce,
Jan,
And whiners.